Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1997 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Look at the diagram. For the NMOS logic gate shown in the diagram, the logic function implemented is, that is, what is the value of f? Okay, there are four options are given, A, B, C, D. Out of that one, which will be the right answer? This is NMOS realization of logic gate. So remember that one, whether it is NMOS or CMOS logic circuits, whether it is NMOS or CMOS, they are going to be implementing sum of products expression, SOP expression. Okay, whether it is NMOS or CMOS, they will be realizing the SOP expression. SOP expression can be written in this way: F is equal to SOP expression, that is sum of products expression. So we can write like this: P1 plus P2 plus P3, like this you are going to be writing. So P1, P2, P3 are going to be product terms, and those products are going to be get summed up. So that is what the expression you are going to get at the final value as F. So what is mean by P1, P2, P3? P1, P2, P3 are going to be P1, P2, P3 are product terms, arranged product terms arranged parallelly between output node and ground. Okay, so how many number of parallel branches you are going to get between output node and ground? That will be treated as, each branch is going to be treated as product term. Each product term is nothing but a branch between output node to ground. Okay, so how many number of product terms you are going to get? That many number of branches will be in parallel between output node and ground level. So this is what output node in our case. Okay, this is output node. This is going to be treated as output node, and this is ground. So this is ground node. This is also ground node. Okay, now you have to identify how many number of parallel branches are there, and get those parallel branches, and the transistors in that parallel branch is nothing but multiplication of the symbol. So if you are going to see, look at this one. First I will write the parallel branches. So from this output node, first parallel branch is nothing but, is it going through in this way? So F towards ground, this is nothing but first parallel branch, P1 for example. Second parallel branch is nothing but between AB towards ground. This is second parallel branch, P2, and there is a third parallel branch. It is going through A and going through C now. This is third parallel branch. So that implies nothing but 3. There are 3 parallel branches are existing for the given diagram between output node and ground. Okay, so you are going to express F is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. So now P1 implies nothing but a product term. Product term is nothing but, it is going to be consisting of literals. Okay, product of literals. Product of literals is nothing but product of inputs of the gates present in that branch. Product of inputs of the gates present in that branch. Now look at the P1. If you want to write for the P1, P1 is nothing but, this is a branch. Okay, in this branch you are getting 2 transistors. D and E are going to be inputs for the transistor. So the D and E are going to be getting multiplied, and that is the product you are going to get for the P1. Okay, so P1 is a product term. That product is going to be formed in that branch. How many number of transistors are there, and those inputs are going to be gets multiplied. So D and E are going to be transistor inputs. They are in this parallel branch. So that P1 can be written as DE plus P2 is nothing but, this is parallel branch. In this one, AB are going to be the inputs. Okay, AB are going to be inputs. So AB plus, and P3 is nothing but, and it is going through A and it is going through C. This P3 branch is between A and C. So this branch consisting of A transistor and C transistor. So that is going to be treated as AC. And remember that one, NMOS and CMOS are going to be treated as, they are going to get SOP expression, complement of SOP expression. they are going to get complement of SOP expression. So simply what you are going to do is nothing but you are writing a bar over here. So here also you are going to write a bar. So the bar implies nothing but here you can write this is the bar, and in this one DE you can write plus. If you take A common at that time, this is B plus okay, so it is B plus C is going to be the common term. So F is equal to, you can write it as DE plus A into B plus C whole bar. Okay, so the right answer for this one is nothing but C. C is going to be the right answer. Remember that one, whether it is NMOS logic gate or CMOS logic gate, it is going to be implemented, the logic expression implemented will be always in the complement form. So first of all you have to put F is equal to, you must put a bar, that is complement you have to keep, and below that complement you are going to write the SOP expression. That SOP expression we are writing in terms of P1 plus P2 plus P3 dash dash dash, depending on how many number of branches are there parallelly between output node and ground. Identify the branches, and in each branch how many number of transistors are there and what are their inputs, and multiply those inputs in that branch. That will be giving a product related to that branch. So similarly P1 is nothing but DE is the product, P2 AB is the product, P3 is nothing but AC is the product. So simply you are going in that way, A can be taken common, so F is equal to DE plus A into B plus C. That is the answer, which is nothing but answer is C. Okay, thank you.